What makes a ride special? Sometimes it's not the distance or the speed, it's the silence, the clouds, and places that feel untouched. This one's just about 70 kilometers from Bengaluru, and yet it feels like another world. Welcome to Mydala Lake. Good morning.
Good morning, YouTube.
So now we are leaving for Mydala Lake. It is 5:35. We'll roll out by 5:45. Hopefully, we'll reach in 2 hours. We're going by Aerox today.
Yeah, this is gonna be the longest trip of Aerox so far.
Getting all set to go to Mydala Lake. Is it okay? Do you have mic connected? Just downwards.
Downward? Good morning. So, after a lot of planning, we started at 6.
We started this ride early in the morning, taking the nice road exit from Electronic City. So there is no fast tag for two-wheelers. You can pay through UPI or cash, and it costed 100 rupees till the Tumkuru exit. This is the second episode in our Hidden Gems Around Bangalore series. If you missed the first one, we explored cafe called Goldmine Cafe. You'll find the video link on screen or in the description below. So today we are going to Mydala Lake, which is 93 kilometers on the Tumkuru road. This route we take even when we go to say Gokarna, Shimoga or Goa. This time it's going to be 93 kilometers. Let's see how Aerox fares out. Now we are hungry, and due to first time motor vlogging, we already took 2 hours to complete the first 60 kilometers. Also, we are up since 4 am. So let's find a place and eat. We just found this tiffin center in Nelamangala. It's a family run tiffin center, and they have idli, dosa, upma, bhajis, rice items for breakfast. The prices are reasonable, and also they have washroom facilities here. If you're new to 90 seconds and like our content, do not forget to like, share the video and subscribe.
Annapurneshwari Living Center. Right, Nelamangala town, roughly. Now, Mydala Lake is around 30 kilometers from here.
We paid 90 rupees for one masala dosa and one plate single idli vada.
Super good. So now we are going to complete the rest of the journey.
And before that, a big coffee break.
On, है ना?
So now we have taken a stop at CCD. It's actually just 10 kilometers left to reach Mydala Lake. So it's a very nice weather. It's a little sunny, you can see. And we thought we'll take a coffee stop. We just had breakfast also. But the weather is so good that we're just sitting outside and sipping coffee. It's just 20 more kilometers to Mydala Lake. The weather is really awesome today. And now we are in the last leg of our journey. It's just 10 kilometers left to Mydala Lake and should take maximum 20 minutes to reach. Do you see the windmill blades on the screen? It's so surprising to see how big things are in reality. This is where we get off NH48, and the remaining distance is just 3 kilometers. By the looks of it, seems like the road widening exercise is going on, and this spot I think is getting popular. This is where we paid 10 rupees as entry fee to the compound. We are in the Mandaragiri foothills, and on the left is the Peacock Temple. Hilltop is Digambar Jain Temple. To reach there, you have to climb 435 steps or you can drive to the top. The opening is to Mydala Lake, as you see on your screen. But first, let's visit the hilltop, We'll give you a stunning view of the area and then we'll come back to explore the lake. Around 93 kilometers from there, the roads start getting quieter and nature slowly takes over. And when you finally reach here, this calm, this view, it's worth every kilometer. Now we are heading down to Mydala Lake, one of those hidden spots that doesn't show up on the usual travel lists, but probably should. There is no dedicated parking spot as such. We just parked, even the four-wheelers parked on the corners. We weren't aware of it, but people come here and get into the water. And the water is clean.
Mydala Lake. Mydala Lake. They also call it Mydala Keri. It's a beautiful place actually. Water is so clean. Look at this. Imagine the magnitude at which this thing is. So much of green vegetation. Is it not better than anything? Just 93 kilometers away from my home. It's absolutely nice.
We are walking on a mud ridge or a dam-like structure that holds the lake, and there is so much vegetation on the other side. Do come early in the morning as the weather will be more kind and there will be less crowd. Best time to visit is during the monsoon or post it. We read online that there are activities like kayaking but did not find any. Do let us know in the comments regarding it.
Of the video, and this is my Mydala Lake. Do tell us how you like it.
Like, share and subscribe.